subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming Galaxy M series smartphone called Galaxy M11. And before the launch, the upcoming phone has spotted on Google Play console listing that reveals the front look of the smartphone along with some key specifications. According to the listing, the Galaxy M11 will feature a hole punch on the display located at the top left corner for selfie camera, and the screen is set to support HD+ resolution. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset, which includes Adreno 506 GPU. The smartphone is listed to pack with 3 GB of RAM, and it will run on Android 10, which will be likely based on Samsung's One UI 2.0. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy M11 has leaked so far. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy M11 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.